welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about strategic analysis internal. So the contents of this video are Porter's value chain, Porter's value network, SWOT, TOWs, and resources and capability. We'll start with where does internal analysis fit within the strategic planning process. So we usually start with the mission and objectives. We try to do a SWOT. So SWOT tells us what is our strength and weakness and opportunity and threat. So the strength and weakness actually comes from the internal analysis. So there are like many tools which are available to do internal analysis, but in this video we have restricted to a few tools alone. So what is internal environment? So we have the company in the middle and we have the customers, competitors, suppliers around us. Internal environment consists of factors which the company can either control partially or fully. Hence, the company can change itself according to external environment. This requires the management to understand the various internal environment and how to change it. So when you look at here, the internal environment consists of the customer, competitor and the supplier. So these are factors which the company can somewhere they could manage them. For example, they can renegotiate with the supplier. They can have a different kind of product advertisement or marketing strategy where they can convince their customer for a higher price or a lower price or a newer product. They could also channelize their competitors to a little extent. There are like many ways in which the company can change itself according to its internal environment.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.